are back with another video. Alright, as you guys see by the thumbnail and title, man, yes, today we're going to be ready to some NBA YoungBoy I Heard official audio. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and guys, make sure you guys are commenting down below what you guys want us to react to. Please and thank you guys. So without further ado, man, we're going down this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's go. Well, YoungBoy got like keys and back numbers, man.
Oh, this is okay. The same video.
Huh? No, it's not. It's like I said, official audio. So that means we gotta open up our ears and listen. Cause you know sometimes YoungBoy he raps so fast, he talk faster than me. So you ready to translate for me, babe?
I don't be know what he was saying either.
I didn't ask you that, but I said ready to translate for me.
We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see.
Oh, you ready to translate? Oh, translate for me.
7 in the mouth.
7 in the morning.
Somebody let me know what he said.
Alright, you ready to say it? My team in the hood died by me.
Yeah, I heard that part. My team in my hood died by me.
Why didn't you translate that for right there?
Cause
Okay.
you heard it.
Look, I'm up at 6 in the morning. I told my bitch pull up on me. I heard them little stay on me. My arm not sleeping for nothing. Creep up and then down on something. I heard they said.
Creep up and run down or something. Babe, you're not translating the music for me.
Because I'm
Guys,
trying
you're
to
not
gather.
translating the music for me.
I'm trying to gather
By
what
the time
he
you don't
said.
get that words, music done.
I'm trying to gather
By the time you
what
don't
he
get
said.
the words, the video done.
Well, you already know what he said. You don't need me to translate.
Come here,
nothing.
listen.
I'm listening too.
You're not listening harder.
I'm trying to get the concept of this song. Thank you.
The song the star say it has
Exactly. So I'm trying
but by
to
the
get the
time
concept.
don't translate the song
Be
the song
quiet.
done. What you like to do before?
Good.
On the t-shirt.
No.
Sure.
I'm trying to gather the meaning of this song. You can get the meaning of the song from the middle. I mean, from the front, middle, and the end.
Well, you might get it from the end.
Probably so, cause I don't be knowing what he's saying.
All right.
I heard they said I was pussy. I said don't try me for now.
He said they heard that he said he was a pussy. Somebody called him a pussy.
Yeah.
Damn, who called him pussy? Look, man, guys, we just here to do the reaction. We ain't gonna call no names. Who you talking about? If y'all want to comment down below, y'all can.
That's up to y'all.
That's up to y'all. You know
That's
what
up
I'm
to
saying?
y'all.
I might have an idea with something, but I'm not gonna call no names. We're just here to react to the music, vibe to the music. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Nigga got hit up with that brick. He can do shit. Wasn't with that shit. I heard a man got swerved down here with his bitch. That hoe got hit. I heard
Wait a minute, young boy. Oh my God.
Yo, who's he talking about right there?
I don't know.
I know I'm calling him. I'm not calling him. You don't like me? You don't like me?
Only on Sundays, cause that's the Lord's Day. Even though every day is the Lord's Day.
Alright, 2 more years to Sunday.
Now you won't fight me, bitch, I'm a killer. All white teeth, I'm like the snappers on the pistol. I'm too rough, most nights 5, I don't even sleep behind my motherfucking nigga. They been raping, I'm a zap, put that on day, take off his face, look in his eyes, how I was raped. I'm on front line inside these days, yeah, bitch, bang your gang, cause I know I'm gonna do the same. Come snatch my train, I bust your brain, shoot up your whole phone and bang. I'm gonna wait till like 100 pounds, somehow I still.
So then you get the concept of the video. So the title name I heard.
Basically, he heard all the people talking shit about him.
Yeah, and
And he been sending people after them.
I don't know what about it, but
That's what I'm gathering.
I don't know what
Cause he
about
on
it.
house arrest, he can't go nowhere.
Obviously not.
So obviously he's sending some people after people.
I don't know what that one.
Well,
I
that's
don't
what
know.
I'm hearing, or maybe I'm hearing it wrong. But if he on house arrest, he can't be.
No, I'm
doing
not
nothing.
saying. You're not saying the right thing. I'm just saying I don't know. I'm not saying you probably said the right thing. I don't know. I'm just saying I don't know. Well, I'm saying based on the title, what do you think of the video?
I just told you.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's throwing health in this shit. I've been getting wealthy in this shit. I got a wife and she hold me down, but if my money.
You know what you just said?
Mhm.
So I'm guessing that's his wife right here.
Yeah.
shit with that chopstick, let the big shit go boom. They ain't tell you how I pop shit. Tell them to watch the news. Just say,
I ain't gonna lie, this is the boy song, boy. I gotta get turned up. Everybody gotta get turned up, man.
Really bad.
Everybody gotta get turned up, man. Hell yeah, get turned up, man. That's what I thought.
Sound like radio.
That's what I thought. Y'all gotta get turned up.
That's what I talk. Who talk like that?
You. And when y'all work, man, this young boy, man, you gonna get move. Yeah. I know, I think he's still beefing with Dirk.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been seeing on
I feel like they gonna forever beef at this point.
Hey, I seen that one video on TikTok. What boy said, you push back. Y'all ever seen it? Yeah, I seen it on TikTok. I was like, oh. Apparently they saying that he made Derek push back his music or some.
Oh yeah, I seen that. I seen it on Messy Mondays. I didn't see it on TikTok or that.
That little clip was funny as hell. It said, yo, push back.
Yeah, I seen
Hey,
that.
we're trying it again. Or
And then
something
somebody
like that.
else released their album the same time or something like that. I forgot who it was, but it was supposed to be YoungBoy, Dirk, and somebody else released
Yeah,
their
apparently,
album.
because I think YoungBoy heard Dirk was supposed to drop his music the same. Was supposed to drop his music on a day.
And he ended up dropping
And
his.
then YoungBoy was like, oh, you finna drop music today? Push my shit right out now. Push my stuff right up right now.
That's crazy.
And apparently, they saying that Dirk, he made Dirk push back. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just
Yeah.
going off what
He said, she
TikTok is
said.
saying. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So, yeah.
And somebody else dropped their album like the same time or something like that.
Dirk dropped his album like probably 2 weeks after. Or
Yeah.
after.
Something like that, yeah.
Make my ones I love and it's fucked up, but ain't your problem. Look, I barely trust my mama. I say I ain't got no attitude. Fuck you, nigga. I'll kill you once and wish I could twice. Tell them clothes they fucking out.
Dang, he already did, bro.
Jesus, have mercy.
Lord.
Lord.
Twice? You gotta do something. You gotta do some real effed up stuff for somebody want to kill you twice.
What started all this stuff? Jesus.
What started all of it? Oh.
I don't even want to know. That's all right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
I don't know
probably
shit about
coming.
my life, but a nigga that I murked or who I did wrong or right. Nigga, I'm rich, so suck my dick, don't give a fuck about no spikes. I'm up at 6 in the morning, I told my bitch pull up on me. I heard them others, they on me, my own, I'm sleeping for nothing. Creep up and land down on something. I heard they said that they dug it. I heard they said I was pussy. I said don't try me for nothing.
I heard.
I heard a pussy nigga got hit up with that brick, he can do shit.
I ain't gonna lie, that little truck was fire though.
Yeah, that truck is nice.
That's how I was looking at the truck. Look, red interior. Look fire.
Yeah, that is nice.
I heard a nigga got swerved on this with his bitch. That hoe got hit. I heard a last breath coming from that bitch.
Damn.
Jesus, have mercy.
Hey, your boy don't play.
Yeah, that song is very intense. It's very intense.
All the young boy songs very intense. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
If you ever feel down, listen to some NBA young boy, he gonna get you turned up.
What you mean if you ever down? What kind of down are we talking?
Like if you
Like
want,
if you need a boost, like
like
you sleepy and you need like some type of music to turn you up.
yeah.
Or if you, okay, I
What
would.
do you mean by R? What do you mean by R?
Cause okay, what did you say? If you down, let's say you NBA young boy.
Like if you want to get in the vibes, like you know what I'm saying. Like if you at work, you just want to get in the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Just want
Okay. You gotta be
turn up.
specific with that.
What do you know what you mean by down?
Because it's two meanings to being down.
Okay, what other one?
One of the ways is like if you have low energy, you just need something to get your energy up there. And then the other meaning, if you're down, listen to NBA Young. Like if you're down, meaning if you're mentally down. Okay. Okay. If your energy is low, just see Young Boy. It's gonna get you.
Anyways, guys, we just gotta like and subscribe. We're gonna get you guys in the next video.